Hello, guys. Welcome to you on your own channel, Stock Market Small Investors. And first of all, I would like to thank you, those people who have subscribed my channel and those who have liked my video as well, the last video of DHFL which I made. Thank you so much to all. And guys, I would like to request you, those who are new on my channel, kindly like and subscribe. Please, it will give me motivation because this channel has been made for you guys only. We will discuss on a daily basis about stocks, which stocks can be performed good, which stocks we should hold, which stocks we should look. Like, it's my own opinion, but you can take an idea as well. I have experience of more than 7 years in this field. And let me tell you one more thing. Today we are going to discuss about the Yes Bank. Okay, guys, those who have a holdings of Yes Banks, I would like to tell my opinion to you guys. I have also a holding of Yes Bank. I had just bought last week itself. And let me tell you one thing. You can see, just check this candle. Check the volume of this candle and this one. Before that, guys, you already saw when the market was going up last month or by this month as well, but the Yes Bank was not going up. From this week only, this stock start performing, right? Why? What could be the reason? Just check it out. Just do your own analysis. You can see this level is the strongest level where the candles are being consolidated. The price action, the price has been just consolidated, and after that, it has just started going up, right? You can say in other language, it is just about to break because you guys might have known, you guys might have seen the news as well. So much delivery percentage people are just taking, right? Like 20 crores, 15 crores for this past week. People are taking just a delivery of this Yes Bank like this. And trust me, if we talk about the fundamentals of the Yes Bank, the last market cap was around 33,000 crore, but now it's around 53,000 crore. So the price has to move up as well. Another thing is that let me talk about the resistance. The next resistance, you can see it's 30.80 or 30.50. So if you guys have a holding of Yes Bank, whatever percentage of holding you guys carry, it's my view, you should book some profits around 20 to 25% at this level. If you have, it depends on you. You can do your own analysis and you can do whatever you want to. You're free. It's just my opinion. Another resistance, you can see it's 45, and the main one is 71. In the thumbnail, you might have seen that the 71 is the ultimate target. So according to my analysis, what my analysis said, within 6 to 7 months, we should reach this price soon. Okay, and those who are having Yes Bank from the higher level, so please don't worry at all. I can understand your concern. I can understand your problem, what sort of problem you guys have been facing because you guys bought from the higher level. So the time is about to come. You guys are gonna happy soon. And let me share my some personal holding as well through swing trading. As I told you before that I'm a swing trader. I just made this position last week. You can see my Yes Bank position. You can see my DHFL position, and the rest of thing you guys can see right now here itself. Okay, so guys, those who are new on my channel, kindly please like and subscribe my channel, and please, thank you so much for watching and stay happy. Thank you so much.